In this video, we'll show you how to turn on automatically translated captions when watching YouTube videos. If you are on a laptop or desktop computer, click the CC icon at the bottom of the video screen to turn on captions. Click the Settings icon, which looks like a gear. In the pop-up menu, click Subtitles/CC. Click Auto Translate and select your language from the list. If you are on a phone or mobile device, tap the CC icon at the top of the video to turn on captions. Tap the Settings icon. Tap Captions. Tap Auto Translate and select your language from the list. On mobile devices, YouTube currently provides a limited number of languages. If your language is not listed, try watching the video from a laptop or desktop computer, where more language options are available.